Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we're going to learn about 7 English idioms with letter Q. Quartz. Put a quartz into a paint pot. This means to put something into a space that is too small for it. Example: this bed can't fit into this space. You don't put a quartz into a paint pot. Queer. Queer somebody's pitch or queer the pitch for somebody. This means to spoil somebody's plan or their chances of getting something. Example: the chairman's remark queered his pitch of getting any promotion soon. Question. Bring or throw something into question. This means to make something become a matter for doubt and discussion. Example: the committee's report threw into question the sustainability of the company's plan. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Question mark. A question mark over or against something. This is used to say that something is not certain. Example: there is a question mark over the wedding date. This means that the wedding date is not certain. Quick. To have a quick temper. This means to become angry easily. Example: his wife has a quick temper. Quick. As quick as a flash. This means very quickly. Example: we got to the train station as quick as a flash. Quick. To cut somebody to the quick. This means to upset somebody very much by doing or saying something unkind to them. Example: calling her barren really cut her to the quick. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.